Hi there, and welcome to the Ingles table. Today we're whipping up something delicious in the kitchen, so join me as I show you how to make my asparagus supreme. I've got water boiling. We're going to blanch the asparagus spears. Very simple. Once the water gets up to a boil, I'm going to take the asparagus spears and put them in the boiling water for about 20 seconds. And I have a container of cold water here, so we don't want the asparagus to continue cooking with the hot water. So now that it's been in there, we're going to take them out of the water and put them into the cold water to stop them from cooking. Just like this. Take the asparagus out. There. Now, I've got about tablespoon and a half of butter. We're going to get melting here. And I have 8 ounces of mushrooms. We're just going to saute up these mushrooms a little bit. And while they are cooking, it's like I said, this is asparagus supreme. To me, asparagus always calls for some kind of a sauce. I'm gonna whip up a sour cream based sauce. I have about a cup of sour cream, 3 tablespoons of heavy whipping cream to thin it out a little bit, and a tablespoon of almond extract. Stir this all together. There we go. It's thinned out the sour cream a little bit. Now, to the mushrooms, I've got 3/4 of a cup of julienne or sliced up water chestnuts. Stir this all together, just like this. We're gonna add a pinch of salt, maybe a pinch and a half, and so that you don't see it, a pinch of ground white pepper. We're going to go on ahead, put the sour cream mixture right in to the sauteed mushrooms and water chestnuts. Stir it around. Take a ladle, a spoon, a spatula, and just carefully drizzle some of the sauce with the mushrooms and the water chestnuts right over top of the asparagus, like so. Now remember, I told you that there's almond extract in the sauce. The almond extract is going to expand on the garnish that goes on top. I have some toasted almond slices. Real simple, just put them in a dry skillet on a range top over medium heat. Stir them around just for about a minute, minute and a half. You don't want to get them too brown, but lightly toasted. And just sprinkle some toasted almonds right on the top of the asparagus, just like that. That right there, my friends, is our asparagus supreme. It's a great springtime dish for vegetables, as a side dish, as a luncheon salad to go with a sandwich, whatever you need to do. Springtime screams asparagus to me. Thank you so much for joining us here at the Ingles table. Make sure to explore the site for more great tips, tricks, and recipes, and find us online at ingles-markets.com. Hey, you know what? We'll see you next time.